So we are solving question from GATE 2022 electronics branch, and this was a MSQ question. So in this question, and circuit with operational amplifier is given to us. So this is basically a inverting amplifier because the input is at inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is grounded. So this is a inverting op amp in inverting configuration. Now this is a 1 microfarad capacitor, this is a 1 kilo ohm resistor, this is a 2 kilo ohm resistor, and the voltages are 15 volt and minus 15 volt. So we are given four options. First option is circuit is low pass filter LPF, B circuit is high pass filter, 3 dB frequency is 1000 radian per second, or 3 dB frequency is 1000 upon 3 radian per second. So this is a multiple select question, so more than one option can be correct, and it was introduced in 2021. And this question is very similar to a GATE 2012 question from electronics branch, that was of 2 mark question. So this question is very similar to that question. So this is a circuit of a practical differentiator. This is a circuit of a practical differentiator. See, first I will draw the circuit for an ideal differentiator. The ideal differentiator circuit looks like this. The circuit of ideal differentiator looks like this. So the ideal differentiator circuit does not have this resistor. The ideal differentiator circuit does not have this resistor. Only this resistor and this capacitor are present in an ideal differentiator circuit. And so this is a practical differentiator. And practical differentiator always works as a high pass filter. The practical differentiator always works as a high pass filter. Even if some student does not know how this works as high pass filter, then just think like this. So for low frequency, the capacitor will act as open circuit. For low frequency, we will prove that this circuit works as high pass filter. So for low frequency, the capacitor can be replaced by a open circuit. So for low frequency, if we replace the capacitor by an open circuit, then V input is not connected to this circuit, so V out will be equal to 0. For low frequency, V out will be equal to 0. For low frequency, V out will be equal to 0. So gain for low frequency is 0, and for high frequency the capacitor can be replaced by a short circuit. For high frequency the capacitor can be replaced by a short circuit. So if we replace this capacitor by a short circuit, now this becomes inverting amplifier with gain minus RF by R1. So gain is minus RF by R1, so minus 2. Or if we take the mod of gain, then mod of gain is 2. So for high frequency, this circuit is providing a gain of 2, and for low frequency, the circuit is providing 0 gain. So this works as a high pass filter. So we have proved that this circuit is a high pass filter. Now this capacitor value was given to us as 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad. So for finding the 3 dB frequency, just the 3 dB frequency is given as 1 upon R1 C1, where R1 is 1 kilo ohm, C1 is 1 microfarad. This is R2. So this has no role in the 3 dB frequency. So 3 dB frequency will be equal to 1 upon 10 to power 3 into 10 to power minus 6, because 1 microfarad will be equal to 10 to power minus 6 farad. So this will be equal to 1000 radian per second. So option B is correct and option C is correct. So remember, this is the circuit of a practical differentiator. In the ideal differentiator, R1 is equal to 0. So this is a practical differentiator, and practical differentiator always works like a high pass filter. The practical differentiator circuit always works like a high pass filter. And we have also proved that this is a high pass filter. So for proving that this is a high pass filter, just for low frequency, assume that capacitor is replaced by a open circuit, and for high frequency, replace capacitor by a short circuit. Because the capacitive reactance, see, the concepts are very strong for any GATE exam. For capacitive reactance is given as 1 upon omega C. So for low frequency, omega is very omega is very small, so Xc will be very high. So capacitor will offer very high reactance to low frequency, and for high frequency omega will be very high, so Xc will be equal to 0. So capacitor will offer very small reactance to high frequency. So for high frequency we can replace any capacitor by a short circuit, and for low frequency we can replace any capacitor with an open circuit, because for low frequency Xc is equal to infinite. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can post in the comment box, and best of luck for your exam.